Hello everyone. Today I built a fully functional e-commerce store on Shopify for a home and garden brand. Here is the homepage with a custom banner, clear logo and simple navigation menu. As I scroll down, you can see the feature product section, customize hair banner and dynamic section for a new arrival and bestseller with interactive slide. Moving over to the catalog page, if I have organized all the product clearly, I also added smart filter option for availability and price range to the make searching super easy for customers. Here is the individual product page with variants and details. Customers can easily add item to their cart and process to checkout. Where custom shipping rules and payment gateway are full setup. Thanks for watching.